Good morning, everyone. It's Dave with Alaskan Homesteading. It is a frosty 30-degree morning here with our first snow on November 5th of 2023. It's still flurrying just a little bit, but I think most of the snow is done for the day. So I'm going to go do a little bit of snow clearing. I've got this concrete slab over there that I want to keep clear just so that when the framers finally make it, that it won't be too much of a mess for them to work on. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, my slab is now covered in, I don't know, maybe an inch of snow. But I don't want it to stay covered because I don't want it to get all iced over. So we're just going to go ahead and clear it. Well, I got the slab cleared off. Of course, it's still snowing, so I might have to come back out with a broom later and touch it up a little bit. But at least for now, I've got done what I needed to get done. I don't know if this is pointless or not. You know, I don't know if it'll warm up again between now and about Thanksgiving, I think, when the framers should be here with the lumber package and the trusses and all that. But I guess we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm sure this was about as interesting as watching snow get shoveled. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy watching these kinds of videos. Leave a comment if you have something you want to say, and subscribe if you want to see more. We'll see you in the next video.